Hi, welcome to the Mammoth Tech Show. I'm Jeff, and today I'll be putting together a Bontec twin arm monitor stand for Frankie. And here we have all the pieces, and as you can see, it's available in white, which is quite unusual, but should fit nicely with Frankie's new desk. If your desk has one, you can use a cable access grommet to mount the stand, but we'll be using the traditional table clamp option. So let's screw the main supporting pillar to the mounting plate, and then remove the backing to this non-slip pad, which we then apply to the bottom of the mounting plate. And now we have the clamp for the mounting plate. There are a couple of options for positioning this, depending on how thick your desk is. And now we drop the arms onto the support pillar. They can be positioned anywhere and then just tightened in place. But remember, it's going to be a lot easier to adjust them now than after you put the monitors on them. The VESA plates attach to the back of your monitors. You did check to see if your monitors were VESA compatible, didn't you? Good. Then you can just drop them onto the ends of the arms. Attach the cable clips to keep those cables under control, and your stand is complete. Your monitors are now free to float majestically above the surface of your desk.
It's really nice. The main thing I really like about it is that it puts both my monitors at the same height. So the setup I had before, I had my big 27-inch monitor on one monitor stand arm, and then I had my other 24-inch monitor just on its own built-in stand sitting on my desk. So they were both at a slightly different level, and I wasn't sitting centrally to them. So I was finding that in order to see my second monitor, I was having to twist my neck quite a lot to move over to the right-hand side. But with them both being up on a twin monitor arm, they're both at the same height, which is where they should be. And so I'm finding that I can sit more centrally to them and not have to twist my neck so much. So it's much more comfortable.
And have you got more desk space?
I have, because I don't have the stand with the other monitor sitting down on my desk, which means I can arrange things on my desk a little better.
And the stand's holding the monitors fine, they aren't sagging or needing to be adjusted or anything like that?
No, I've not had to adjust them or anything. So the stand has got quite a lot of adjustability, so the only bit that's really fixed once you've set it is the height.
You can adjust that.
You can adjust the height, but it's not like it's a gas-powered monitor that you can adjust the height on the fly. But you can adjust the tilt and the pivots of both the monitors once the stand is set up. The only bit that you have to set and fix is the height of the monitors. The other bit that I really like about the particular monitor arm that I've got is that it has one central clamp onto the desk. So I've only got one bit clamped onto my desk that holds my two monitors rather than two separate arms.
And you're happy with them?
Yes, I'm really happy with them. And the other thing I would just like to add that I'm really happy with is we managed to get them in white, which is quite unusual for monitor arms. So it fits in with my desk nicely.
Okay.